For my found music project, I created 4 different types of maracas using different empty containers I had lying around. I used a soda bottle, a juice container, and 2 different types of water bottles. I used lentils, beans, wooden beads, and rice to fill the containers. I used the pink paper to decorate each maraca. Some ways I thought about incorporating this into a classroom was teaching your students about recycling and saving our planet. They can use recycled material to create a musical instrument. Another way would be to teach them about different cultures. So you can teach them about the Latin or Spanish culture, and they can create their maracas, and they can learn how to create different beats, sounds, and tones with it. They can shake them fast to get a hard beat, shake them slow to get a softer beat, and you can just teach them how to incorporate that and make a song with it. These are the different sounds my maracas make. The first one is a water bottle with beans. The second one is a soda bottle with wooden beads. The third one is a juice bottle with lentils. And the last one is another water bottle with rice. So each maraca has a different sound, and you can teach your students how to follow a beat or learn to create their own beat.